All right, how do you want to do this? DreamEDIA is a high-end home theater store who also has a very extensive preferred installer network throughout the entire country. We really find passion in home theater and hi-fi stereo, as well as many other categories, and try to deliver the absolute best experience to our clients. Where did it all start? All right, DreamEDIA has always been really a dream of mine. Creating this company from the ground up, it's been my baby. We literally started out back in the day in 2012. We were installing TVs on people's wall. We were installing surround sound systems. And over time, we became better trained and attended classes and got certifications and started selling equipment. And the natural progression was really high-end systems. I started DreamEDIA because of my passion for audio video, and over the years the passion has just increased. We've been finding new products, new and exciting products, which is what's so fun about this job, is that there's always something new in the market. So we're like kids in a candy store, just playing with the latest and greatest things, and we're going to continue to do that for many years to come. What makes DreamEDIA different from the rest is, just like these speakers that you see here next to me, we like to put hands-on experience with the products that we offer to you guys. So we're not just selling a manufacturer or a brand without actually demoing it. We also have a lot of installation experience. I've spent my entire life doing really complex installations throughout different territories, as well as a vast variety of different products. The reason that our clients choose DreamEDIA is because DreamEDIA provides a personal experience. Everybody that's on our team really is passionate, like myself, about creating dream systems, and we will walk you through step by step and create a system that not only fits your budget, but your exact space and needs. So these days, where DreamEDIA sits is really a great place in the market. We have very little overhead. We ship direct to consumer, and we guarantee the lowest price on all the products we sell with that free shipping. And we also offer a very extensive preferred installer network. And this is really the backbone of what is going to allow us to expand in the industry, because we've partnered with a lot of just great guys, really solid people that provide five-star work and believe in what they do, like myself. If you look at our reputation online, it's nothing but five-star rated reviews, because we don't allow our customers to be unhappy. We really care about the end result, and we try to make it easy too. So we're not just selling speakers like you see here next to me. Obviously, that's a big part of it, but we sell the full package. So whenever you reach out to DreamEDIA, our audio video consultants are going to walk you through all the options that are best for your budget and space, and find something specifically tailored to your needs, a complete package. We are selling products all over the country, but we're also backing that with our preferred installer network, which is awesome. It's something that nobody else is doing out there. So in the future, I see us growing. The company is constantly bringing on new people, better relationships with our manufacturers. We have Focal, we got Mitchie, I got Rotel, we got Epson, we got JVC. All the industry leaders are now on our team, and we really pride ourselves on those relationships. And we're going to continue to develop those relationships over the next years and deliver that five-star experience to our clients and just run a solid business. So long term, I see our future being very bright. And I just want to thank everybody for the support that we have received over the years, starting the business, all through our growth. I mean, we couldn't be sitting here if it wasn't for you guys. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and we're going to continue to do cool and intuitive, awesome projects for many years to come. I'm excited. Thank you guys. What's your favorite pizza? Pepperoni. All right, we got it? Let's get back to work. Good?